Good morning. Hello, everyone. This is Danny Designs. The next video portion, a little shorter, but it entails putting the sill plate on top of the stem wall. So, this is an easy process. Just had to measure it out. I bought this lumber instead of using the lumber that I'm going to use for my sawmill, but I bought this lumber and because it's pressure treated. Code says, I think if it's your wood or your sill plate, any part of your house that's wood, is 12 inches or 16 inches, close to the dirt, that you have to use pressure treated. I just went ahead and bought it. My sill plate is at least 2 feet. It's in some areas, 3 feet above ground level. So no problem with any of that whatsoever. So anyway, you'll see the process of some videos, me putting the sill plate on, the pressure treated lumber, putting the sill plate on top of the stem wall, and that process. It's coming along. All this, the videos are catching up, and you're seeing some progress of the house, which I'm very excited about. And just keep watching. I really appreciate your time, effort in watching, maybe keeping up with the videos. And if you have any suggestions or requests or anything, just give me a shout out. Like and subscribe, please. I'm doing the best I can with all the videos, so just keep watching, and we'll get this thing built, showing my journey, which hopefully you guys can follow along and enjoy. Okay, thank you so much. Another big rainstorm last night, so I'm gonna try to finish up this trip before it starts raining again today. And I'll be done with this part of the house and take a break and get some stuff done. Travel back to California for a little bit. Then I'll come back and do some more things to it. While I'm gone, I got to weed kill inside before I leave. Weed kill, brush hog around, get all this stuff cleaned up, and when the grass starts growing up, it's easier to cut, with the brush hog and stuff. So I'll be running over. Yeah, but get the sill plate done. Hopefully I'll show you the finished product here in a second. Alrighty. Went to town, had to get the sill plates. That's with the wood right there. We got some 2x8s that are 16 feet long. We got some 2x8s that are 8 feet, and 2x12s that are 12 and 8 feet. So that'll all go on top of the stem wall right there. So I'm going to unload these right here, and that piece of metal right there, that the angle iron, is the track for the sawmill. You'll have some video on that later on. So getting ready to unload all this. Another day. This is easy day though. Well, this morning I am back at the stem wall location of the house, and bought the 2x8 pressure treated. Anything that might be next to moisture has to be pressure treated. Even if it's above what I think I have to have. I think if you're up above the ground, you don't have to. But I went ahead and got pressure treated anyway for the first level. And so I'm going to start putting the sill plate, I believe is what it's called, sill plate, which are those boards on top of the stem wall that we put together. So got to get the boards on there, measure where the holes are, drill the holes, make sure they all fit on there, and then obviously they're level. So if I have to do any shimming to make sure it's level, we'll get to that. But getting them on there in the proper place where the where they go, so that they fit and everything. I'll do some cutting and and the holes drilled in those proper places, and then I'll show you the results. Try to get a couple of live shots, but working alone sometimes that's difficult. All right, here we go.
Yeah, the girls go to town. So.
Oh, they go to town?
Yeah.
Without me?
Hey, get that makeup or whatever.
Oh. That's good. Well, this is the Sill Plate on top of the stem wall. Just I haven't bolted down or anything yet, but got this side done right here and that side done over there. And I'll try to finish this up today. It's break time right now. It's getting a little muggy because it rained real hard last night. So that's where I'm at with this goes. Dad came down to say hi. My first night in the trailer and waking up after a big old storm. But yeah, all that, nothing's been sewn yet except for the concrete and obviously stem wall. But looking good. Looking good. Getting stuff done. Yep. Alrighty. Well, I got the Sill Plate on. Right here in the middle, that's a area where the cross joists for the floor joists are going to go across and connect. That's going to take some more leveling. I've already poured the footers for those. Don't really need that as much because it's not structural, and it's going to be sitting on it. Except for just the floor base, which will all be all solid with the joist going across. And you hear that? That's why I'm shutting her down for the day. So obviously I got to get some more washers. I put the steel beams on here with some without washers. It's not tight as you can see because I've got to get the washers, tighten it all down, secure it. And you see I just got to straighten that thing up down through there, and that's going to just be structural so that my floor joists go on top of that. It's at 12 feet. My floor house across 24, so that's where those joists will be meeting in the middle and securing that on some more concrete blocks. And now I am waiting for my sawmill. I've got it. I've got to put it together. Start cutting down my own lumber. I've got plenty of trees out here, and that looks so awesome. As you can see that flying across there, wildlife all over the place. But I'm going to clear this area right here so that I can brush hog around, get everything done. So getting ready to head back to California pretty soon. I'm going to clear all this stuff out. So, well, that's easy stuff though, but I got to get inside because it's sun doing stuff right now. Okay, success. Good day work. Before that happened, finished what I wanted to finish. So that's a positive. It'll be beautiful when I get this thing all set up. It'll be beautiful. Loving doing this. This is great. This is so much better than having that JOB. Have a great day.